whenever or wherever is possible to speak English, speak English. If not, those that are non-Conabian speakers needs to pay attention very carefully so that you can pick up fast. Okay, so we will be sharing.
Willa, do you know him?
After tonight, I don't know.
Chanson will lead us in a short service, and then we will proceed from there. Okay? All right. But one more time, I would like to welcome Uncle Robinson and his family that just came and joining us tonight. And anybody else that came late that we didn't address earlier? Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so welcome Frederick family, and please join the family. The bigger family is now. It seems like the house is not is getting smaller every year. We just started last year, but it seems like this year is already crowded. So we look forward to have everybody every year, if can. For those that are able, please continue to come and celebrate Christmas, December 25th with the Santos family in White House.
In the white.
So with that being said, I will move our agenda to Chan to lead us into our short service. Okay, so first, let us give our praise to God who gave us His only Son so that we can celebrate His birthday. Right? Whose birthday is today? Yes, sir? Oh, ibang kita ba ay pa no? Kayo ka mo sa Facebook kung hindi mo lakan mo ang sila sa korupsyon o kung mo try mo kung sa iyo pa na so which ang pakita natin ka sa malay mo cheli ko man nagkakaroon ka iya sa sini pero now Christ Conchito, Santa Maria, Abito Mai, Kaunop Tamo, Nando Santa Kon, Nando Santa Kon, Nando.
Maing samat po kalangan sa brown yakita from Partisan from Club. Kapkaping tiyang kamulisangan koros kapag ka nabibigawi mo pitan. Ay sukses yun stage kanina yung ito yakita from ang kasut. For example, makapay kan rakang kita. Rang mo sa biyang hayati. pakai harus sebagai saksi. Konsep ini mohon yang kamu yang reality ko kawawi para palatin na ay ikutin dia resmi business course. Nah itu kailangan kong patindasan ng doktor. Programi yung kesendir seperti sabungan sarawi atau kawi iya. Kita usahakan harus sana mau koita. Kami kan koita kan dia Pramawi juga nawat sang misalnya sana nagkaanak here dahil kami pa na masaksit malaw-law taan wat at tapuler mobil kapag yaw yang it kapag songan palaw tela minumin palaw tela kaninay palaw tela ng kami kung nagpanay ay ito sa kung makakapara ng it minumin ay suparos tata sisong-song sa tawa yan sa kung kasandikan yang menggunakan support dengan sana mau sang serta dan lukat harus dikasih dengan lagi yang mana tahun tahun kamu juga sebab.
Okay. So I will read the scripture in English and also in Korean. Okay. Seri o may katongkan eleksyonon pa ang wewe kan pokata wasan watawat magkan sangan soon iralaw rajitik Isaac la Isaac yaw John chapter 1 verses 10 through 12 He was in the world and the world was made through him and the world did not know him. He came to his own, and his own did not receive him. But as many as received him, to him he gave the right to become children of God, to those who believe in his name. Okay? So, kids, I will read this and I will ask you to repeat after me, okay? Say, but as many as received him, to them he gave the right to become children of God. To those who believe in his name. Whose name? Jesus. Now it's going to be for the adult, okay? It's question masan. Or masan no question in Sandra will no coach question kapulita Sandra. Up to Sandra kan sujo say. Ya patong sapon mo wasa, sapon mo kan sujo pasamo. Or so ako'y pasamoya o puson lang. Araya pot kiyong ray pung and uyala sa pulmangko. Sa pulmangko masa nong chay so switch and then brong katamanong chay na chay uyala sa pulmangko. Okay, so and beyond, who are we to God? Children of God. Okay? Mak chay uyala sa pulmangko seri. Usahan saya di bang katete, nana saya mokit, saya kosaya, saya uya, women kacamankan, songen kamokit kan coach coachin koron tong santa kuen kasale yang santa ayi, desain sarang wajib Christmas. Nesa uyak saksi usang kan coach on saya ramas, wale bang kenia me kacaman kontrong bang renew aja mata-mata, renew our thoughts once again. Because I think Christmas is so far away in December, but once we start a new year, it reminds me that God's still with us. Lord, ya laramas, o may katong check, o may nini, o wiyan, kailangan niya, puso ni o kanila. Last year, lesson mesale isang renang baba, and naweweta Christmas. Chugong Christmas o kisakis. O ibang tusok na ibabaw. kawit yang kini last year. Tanot move on Christmas so we are in the moment shape of the two jam long yo. Alright, now by banjo, hey, two jam kaya long to a song. Oh, kisah ko may pan jugo kati sa pamangkot nito. At kisah may pa yei me uya men katete on amanama utana amanama kanana kamele sa pamangkot nito ni Count Jesus. Orang Christmas chorus Mia me kitik kasi jo ale jo osa uta banana take your time there and so mau kan unravel the key person ai tuan mau rin so utang kapan go through life go discover kapan ko abang yung mo rang chorus kapan susu pa isang jojo ay tekin na kami na kasapo na kapan so pa yung kalau kama kapan ito mga kapan sa pun mang god limto so to iro pa sa mau mesu ito kung porung siya mita ko chorus ni mongan alialu ay me pakira ka iten Christmas watch kaya no tong chay babang watch me Yahweh when Christmas Yahweh what is Christmas to you? How do you define Christmas to you? Okay kung kasalita na Christmas we allow men material men yung commercial men wine but materialism law absolute spirit lang karena burden chow uangnya papa no ay biarkan na surat mau kay pusong coach o Christ na pachin ibu diang chay wewe sa sabon malin ko chay lim ko now chay lim he wakes up is then one loud na chay ka chay hindi kau na tanong ka ba man ng saraw ka ba man orang kan kulit yang chain lautan kalau aku yang wewen Christmas on come wong yo yeti ta mi tiara song riau mi kena kelang di tuan aramasaman me kin kona bata men sakso o pleo ikin kelang tuan ngoya ikin ut ale yang yo sakso me aman ut kumuyan ori esensa long yo me na I ale yang ni mata weo nakaite kin puya ki aramaso kelang ayu yang mau o au ya rioi de ko kabai au yang kelang sak so men kacamanong yo moi me laut man me yei men katete me I posong saksen te enale da silibli yawan laut te tikit apian kamene yang yo me tame lab man okitong yo e uya men katete limpa kan pot me aqui que vai ter que foi aí dah so is more there ya so aong seriman ni ayut kelang ni panut ale ramang kelang tamak goyong perangke and milan ni merekasi nah merekan moto-moto ke ma min carain wish kan ori yei ro yawat na au te yo ada nang paru tunai bin ale o tunai moi mut buyang Ori tami dia kata, anak mana ajaran, songsan terus mikirang serikan, yei main anak dia, lari senang. Ori ini tujuan bangun sebang orang koros jadi macam-macam. Nih yang songko mau, dia men kacaman, kangen, kangong icai, nak cai dia, tiang nih pegamen, mangata, coba puro kata selajar moni sujo kako dak selal ban pino ap patomen kosong mana limpo ko me o yang ini Mari bangkok kita let's all the kids sing one song to Jesus because it's Jesus' birthday. Okay, so let's sit up so we can celebrate Jesus' birthday. Happy birthday, Jesus, okay?